Hi, I'm Amanda Haas from Williams-Sonoma's Test Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you 3 simple knife cuts, starting with slicing. So when I cut anything, it's really important to start with a sharp knife and a great cutting board. The other thing you want to make sure of is that you have a stable cutting surface. Let's just hold it. I've got the knife between my thumb and my index finger for stability, and I'll use this other hand as a grip. You'll notice I really keep the tip of my knife down on the board, and you just rock the knife. I love these Epicurean cutting boards. They keep your knives in great shape and they're dishwasher safe. Now for my favorite tip in the kitchen, dicing an onion. Just gonna create a couple of stable surfaces. You cut right through the root, so I've got 2 sides. Peel off this top layer. Now I'm using our Williams-Sonoma wood cutting board. I love them, they're so gorgeous. Okay, now watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut horizontally, vertically, and then across, and it's perfectly diced. I'm looking to make even slices through the onion. Now I'm just going to come across the top of it and do the same thing. Keeping the root intact is what's going to keep it all together. So watch, it's cutting across and it's already diced for you. Is that easier than trying to cut it into pieces and cut it into smaller pieces? There you go, perfectly diced onion. Now for the final cut, I'm going to teach you how to julienne. I'm going to cut it on the bias to get these longer strips before I cut it into the little matchsticks that we're looking for. Watch this. I'm just going to take a couple of these slices of carrot and line them up, kind of overlap them on each other, like this. Now I'm going to use this hand to stabilize it. I'm just going to start cutting through it. And look what I'll get, these beautiful, even matchsticks that I can put straight in the pot.